Hello Professor Michael Flynn. In this tutorial, I would like to demonstrate a simple app called Tweets where one can post their activities using MemeStack technology. At first, we will look into the code which I have already developed. So we'll just open it. I have saved in public all the files. We'll open with Sublime Text over here. And basically at first I have created a text box where we can post something like type text with a type text and a button to submit the post. We need to initiate Angular app and make a controller. So to initiate Angular app, use ngapp and your folder name. And here I have created a variable called app here, and then this angular dot module to initialize the function, and this is the title that is called tweets. To make controller, use ng controller and the function name. Here app dot controller, I defined a functionality Shweta controller, and scope is just an object which perform things with Angular. And here http dot post, it just send the data to the server. And here I'm using a callback function so that if my post is successfully posted, then it will show a message success over here. Then we'll look at server.js code. So here these express body parser and these are essential for our program, and this app.use body parser is just for server to handle the incoming request through the express middleware. And I have created a variable called post which I have randomly saved some like data, maybe road trip to Venice, finally graduated, like that. Then this app.get is just to make API, and I just commented, like throw a comment. If the server is working fine, then it will throw a comment listening on port 3000. So let's start our server. So just change your directory to the desktop and to the source folder and to my folder. Then we'll check the server. So node server.js, and it says that it is listening on port 3000. We'll just connect to localhost and our port is 3000. Here is our tweets. So it's asking to tweet something today. I'll just say hi, submit, it says success. Just refresh it and we can see that here it is updating the tweet. Hi. I have already configured this with MongoDB, but my data is not saving in the Mongo database. I can show you that. MongoDB. Mongo. But I have already added some data to the database manually, which I can show that now. So just by pressing show dbs, we can say, then I can use my data, use Shweta, then db dot post dot find. Post is something I have created in which these data exist, like congratulations, road trip to Venice, and finally graduated. These data I have already added manually to the database, so it is showing up the things. But originally whatever the data I have given here, it is not storing in the database MongoDB. So currently I'm working on that. And MemeStack is used to develop web applications, and these applications are written in only JavaScript for server side and the client side too. During development of this application, I have faced several issues with the port, then with the MongoDB, particularly with the MongoDB installation and all, and it is not saving the data, where I'm currently working on this. Thank you.